Hi guys! Today we're learning how to use Find My iPhone. After unlocking your iPhone, open the Find My app. This app allows you to track all Apple devices connected to your Apple ID. Now look at the bottom menu and tap on Devices. Here you will see all Apple devices linked with your Apple account like iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This section helps you choose the exact device you want to manage. From the list, tap on your iPhone name. Once selected, different options like play sound, directions, and notifications will appear. These options help you track and manage your lost device easily. If your iPhone is nearby, tap on play sound. Your device will start ringing loudly so you can find it quickly. If your phone is far away, tap on directions to view its live location on the map. Now scroll down and enable Lost Mode if your iPhone is lost or stolen. This feature locks your device and protects your personal information. You can also display a custom message and phone number on the lock screen. You can also turn on Notify when found. This sends you an alert when your iPhone reconnects to the internet or becomes detectable again. It is very useful if your phone is currently offline. And that's how you can easily use Find My iPhone to track and protect your device step by step. With these features, you can quickly locate your iPhone and keep your personal data safe. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tech tutorials.